Hello, and welcome to English Podcast with Missy. Here we learn English for real life. Clear, slow, and simple. Let's learn English together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, my dear friends. It's Missy, and welcome back to our cozy English corner. Today's story is about something simple but very special. Going to the movies. Sometimes it's not just the film that makes a day exciting. It's the anticipation, the little moments, the smells, the sounds, and the quiet reflection after the credits roll. In today's episode, we'll practice two important tenses: past simple and past continuous. So, sit back, relax, and join me on this small adventure of my day. Yesterday morning, I woke up feeling excited. I had planned a small treat for myself. I would go to the cinema tonight. I stretched in bed and took a deep breath. Outside, the sun was shining and I could hear birds singing. While I was brushing my teeth, I thought about the movie I wanted to see. I made a cup of coffee and sat by the window. The warm cup in my hands, the sunlight on my face, and the gentle smell of coffee. It felt like a perfect morning. While I was drinking coffee, I opened my phone and checked the movie schedule. I smiled when I saw the show time. Yes, it will be perfect, I thought. After breakfast, I decided to tidy my small apartment a little. While I was folding my clothes, I kept thinking about the evening. It's funny how something small, like going to a movie, can make an ordinary day feel special. I spent most of the morning working. I answered emails, made notes for tomorrow, and even did some small chores. But all the time, I felt this little excitement bubbling inside me. Around noon, I went to a small cafe to have lunch. While I was sipping my tea, I looked out of the window at people walking on the streets. I noticed a couple holding hands, children playing, and a dog running happily. For a moment, I thought, life is full of little stories, and tonight I will have my own small story at the cinema. After lunch, I went to the grocery store to pick up a few things for dinner. While I was walking down the aisles, I found myself thinking about the popcorn I would buy later. The small joys of life can be so simple. On my way home, I passed by the cinema. Bright posters were shining under the afternoon sun. People were buying tickets for different films. I stopped for a few moments and imagined myself sitting in the theater, watching the movie with a big bucket of popcorn in my hands. My heart felt lighter, happier. The evening came quickly. I changed into something comfortable but nice for the cinema. I put on a light jacket, grabbed my bag, and left the apartment. The streets were lively. Children were still playing, couples were walking slowly, and the sky was painted in orange and pink. While I was walking, I noticed the small sounds of the city: footsteps, distant music, laughter, and the occasional car passing by. When I reached the cinema, it was even more magical than I remembered. The big screen outside showed trailers of upcoming films. Bright colors, fast movements, and loud music filled the air. I paused for a moment, taking it all in. People were standing in line, talking, laughing, and checking their phones. A little boy in front of me was jumping up and down, holding his father's hand. I I smiled and remembered when I used to feel the same way. I bought my ticket. The worker smiled and wished me a good film. Then I went to the snack counter. I looked at the popcorn. Small, medium, large. I chose large. Why not? Tonight was my treat. I also grabbed a small soda. Cold, fizzy, and refreshing. The smell of popcorn filled my nose as I walked towards the theater entrance. While I was walking inside, I noticed the seats, the soft lighting, and the posters on the walls. Everything felt inviting. I found my seat in the middle row. The perfect view. The lights went down. Everyone quieted. Only the soft rustle of popcorn and the occasional cough could be heard. When the film began, I felt myself transported. I laughed during funny scenes, held my breath during tense moments, and almost cried during touching parts. While the characters were having adventures, I was leaning forward in my seat, completely absorbed. While the music was playing softly, I closed my eyes for a moment and let the story flow over me. I noticed little things around me too. Someone in the row behind me whispered a comment. A couple held hands and shared a smile. The smell of buttered popcorn filled the air. I felt like I was part of a small, quiet community, all experiencing the story together. When the credits rolled, people clapped softly. Some stayed to watch the credits. Some left quickly. I stayed a little longer, letting the music and lights fade slowly in my mind. Walking home, the streets were quieter. The night air felt cool and gentle. I thought about the story I had just watched, about the characters, about the small lessons hidden in their journey. While I was walking, I remembered my morning coffee, the little chores I did, and the small excitement I felt all day. And I realized the joy was not just in the movie. It was in the anticipation, the preparation, the little rituals, and the reflection afterward. A simple evening had turned into a small adventure, full of little details that made life feel rich. Let's pause and review the tenses we used today. Past simple. The finished actions. Example: I bought a ticket. I walked to the cinema. I watched the movie. I smiled when I saw the posters. Past continuous. Actions in progress or background. Example: while I was drinking coffee, I looked at the movie schedule. While I was walking to the store, I noticed people playing. While the characters were talking, I was leaning forward in my seat. While the music was playing, I closed my eyes for a moment. Going to the movies is not just about the film. It's about the anticipation, the rituals, the small details, and the reflection afterward. Even an ordinary day can feel special when you add a small adventure like this. Life is full of small stories. And sometimes the quietest moments, like walking home under the night sky after a movie, stay with you the longest. Thank you, my dear friends, for spending this day with me. I hope you enjoyed this little story, and maybe it inspires you to notice the small joys in your own day, whether it's a coffee, a walk, or a trip to the cinema. If you liked this episode, follow the podcast, share it with your friends, and come back next time for another cozy story. Until then, take care and remember, even simple days can hold special magic. See you